S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. A magical word. When you say it from the bottom of your heart, you can feel the magic. But sometimes we just can't say sorry, even we know the importance of it. Why? Because of this three letter E-G-O, ego. I can't say sorry because it was not my mistake. I can't say sorry. It hurts my pride. I can't say sorry. Otherwise, people will start taking me as a joke. I can't say sorry because it could damage my reputation and honor. I can't say sorry because it will prove that I did do something wrong. I can't say sorry because people will lose trust on me. I can't say sorry. They will laugh at me. I can't say sorry. People will find a chance to insult me. They are our thoughts, and they all are negative thoughts. Let's focus on something positivity. By saying sorry, you are not allowing people to insult you or laugh at you. You are allowing yourself to be free. Free from those guilts, those pains that worried in your heart for a long time. Remember, those guilts will carry shame and self-hate to you, and it will damage your self-respect and self-confidence. Sometimes you just need a sorry to heal yourself, and sometimes a full chapter can't heal you. In this world, we all are busy looking at others' mistakes. We are not trying to think about our mistakes. It makes us selfish. When someone hurt you, that time you expect from him or her a sorry, and that helps you to heal your heart. Then think, if you are hurting someone, if your words, your behavior will hurt someone, don't you think you need to be sorry for that? Learn how to say sorry. By saying sorry, you can feel the brightness and the happiness in your heart. This increases the love and the respect for yourself. By saying sorry, you are allowing to remove any kind of ill feelings that the other person have towards you. By saying sorry, you are allowing that person to break into two parts. One will be good and the other part will be bad. And I must say, you will be on that good part of his heart. I remember he was my friend. We often argue with each other, and every time I say sorry to him. One day he asked me, "Why you are saying sorry to me, even that's not your fault?" I didn't give any answer, but today I want to say, because my friendship, my love, my respect for you was more important than my pride, my ego. Sir Gaur Gopal Das said, "When you say sorry, it doesn't mean that you are wrong. It just means that you value the person and the relationship more than being right." By saying sorry, you are allowing yourself to heal. It will heal your heart, your mind. The power of your sorry can humble even a very arrogant and cruel person. Saying sorry, although it will hurt your ego, but it will deter you from repeating the mistakes. Forgive people. By forgiving, you can feel the great and godly feelings. When you will forgive someone, your anger level will come down and reduce your mental stress. By forgiving, you can improve your leadership qualities. When you forgive someone, you are showing your kindness to them. A sorry will never take your respect, although it will help you to earn more respect. A sorry will help you in building a beautiful life. Sometimes a sorry will carry with him so many of blessings, and those blessings are only for you. A sorry will help you to stay out of any kind of mess. So when you did something wrong, be strong to say sorry. And when someone else will do something wrong, allow him to say sorry and forgive him. Don't be ashamed whenever you want to say sorry.